I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a charge on your PNC account, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your PNC account. Visit the PNC website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to account activity. Once logged in, go to the account activity section to view your transactions. This is where you can find the charge you want to dispute. Step 3. Identify the charge. Scroll through your transactions and locate the specific charge you wish to dispute. Take note of the date and amount, as you'll need this information later. Step 4. Select the dispute option. Click on the charge to reveal more details and look for a dispute option. Follow the prompts to initiate the dispute process. If you don't see the option, check for a More Actions button. Step 5. Provide necessary information. Before filing your refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Disputing a charge can feel daunting, but following these steps will help you navigate the process smoothly. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out to PNC customer service if you need further assistance.